Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Liza if you're new around here, and today's video is a Poundland haul. I went into Poundland the other day and I got lots of lovely Christmas bits, so this is the Poundland Christmas edition. So if you want to see what I bought, then just keep watching. Let's get started. First of all, I got some advent calendars. We always get some chocolate advent calendars every year. So we've got 3 of these ones. It's a Raymond Briggs Father Christmas milk chocolate advent calendar. So one thing to note as well is that it's Kinnerton nuts. It's got a Kinnerton nut safe promise, so it is completely nut free. So if you've got anyone with nut allergies, then this would be a good one to pick up. So we got 3 of those for the boys, and then we also got this one, a Milky Bar one. I absolutely love Milky Bar. I love white chocolate at the moment. I also got a couple of these letter to Santa writing kits. We got these last year actually, and they were really, really good. And what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to put them into the boys' December box. So I'm going to make them a December 1st box this year instead of doing a Christmas Eve box. So they've got the whole month of December to enjoy the box and the activities, the Christmas pajamas and all of that kind of stuff. So I got 2 writing kits for Vinny and for Renzo, which is very cute. We were actually talking about what they wanted today on the way to school, so they were talking to me about that. So I'm going to get them to write those in their little letters for Santa very, very soon. Again, for their December box, I got 3 of these. So we got Milky Bar Buttons, just 3 packs of those. I just love chocolate. I could eat this right now. I could have a lovely cup of tea now with one of those. A couple of other lovely bits I got. This is really nice. So we've got 2 glasses, and they say naughty and nice on them. They are really dirty. They need a proper clean. Look at that. They're like all cloudy where they need to be cleaned because they're all sticky. On the front in metallic writing, you've just got naughty on there, and then on this one you've got nice in gold. So that was really, really cute. I just thought it was nice to have some festive kind of glasses. I've got lots of festive mugs, but I haven't got any festive glasses, so I thought that would be nice to get from Poundland. We also got this one. I only do mornings on the 25th of December. Very cute. Another Christmas mug to add to my collection because I absolutely love getting the Christmas mugs out every year. They had loads of like lovely Christmas decorations and stuff. I thought I would get some candy canes to pop onto the tree or to use for decor reasons, or to even put onto Christmas gifts. I like doing that, like with some ribbon and stuff, and then attaching those to the Christmas gifts. So I got some candy canes there, just got 1 pack of those. They had loads of them. Also got a red bow, again for gifting reasons, so I'm going to put it in my new gifting bag that I bought the other day from the range. That is so good, guys, so I'm going to pop that in there. Some more beautiful decor pieces I got. So I got these 2, is it poinsettia, I think it is. Look, they blend in with me today. These are just to go onto the Christmas tree because I have got some poinsettia, can't even say it, I have got these in like big stems, like tree picks for the tree, but I felt last year that I didn't have enough of them, so I'm trying to get a few more and like stocking up on these. So I've got a couple more. These just clip on ones, so I can clip them onto the Christmas tree. I also got some mini red baubles because the boys' Christmas trees could do with some more baubles, and these are cute because they're only small, because their trees are a lot smaller, so I thought that would suit that well. Renzo loves red. I wish they had blue, but they didn't have any blue, otherwise I would have got that for Vinny as well. Oh, next I got a Christmas apron because we used to have a lovely Christmas apron. My mum used to have it every year and she would always bring it around, but I don't know where it is now. So we got this one, Christmas head chef. I just love how festive it looks because it's bright red. Everything is red in this haul, I feel, today, apart from this actually. So they had loads of these kind of wreaths. They had, I think they had gold and they had red as well. But I also thought this would be a really good centerpiece item, so you could put your decor pieces in the middle of this. So that was what I was planning to do. So this is what I mean by using the kind of tinsel wreath just to go around other pieces of decor that you've got to give it that extra festive touch. I love this little like scenery that I've got going on here. These polar bears here are from Next. I bought them the other day. Aren't they pretty? And then these other little trees that I've got just added around are from Amazon. They did also have these in Poundland as well. They had lots of different coloured ones. They had silver, gold, and also pink that I saw in there. And then this is my second way that I've styled it. Again, I've just popped those little polar bears in there, and then I've just created a little cute scene using the tinsel. I also got some LED candles. These are warm white ones and they've got batteries in them as well, so I love that. The other day in my favourites video I spoke to you about a centrepiece that I made for the dining room table for Christmas. It was like a glass jar with faux snow and all of that kind of stuff. When I was in Poundland I saw this. This was what I was talking about when I said about using the plastic version. so you could do it with your children. So this is what I meant. It's called a bottoms up cocktail bowl, so that is what you could use. And then they also have the fake snow in there as well. It's just called snow confetti, so I'm going to pop that in there. But basically you can put your snow in there and then put all your little decor pieces in there as well, like little trees. Talking of trees, they did have these little fibre optic bottle brush trees. I think that's what they're called. How cool is that? Let me get it out and see if we can get it to work. I'm gonna try and get this out. Oh my god, do they make this so hard? I literally can't pull this thing out. They've done it so tight with the screw. It's meant to be a little fibre optic tree, which I thought was cute. And again, it will go lovely in here. It will fit probably just right in there. It might be sticking out the middle, but you could put like little polar bears around it, or little like Christmassy houses, and I think that would look really cute and be like a lovely little festive scene that you could just pop on your shelves or wherever. So yeah, thought that was a great little alternative for a Christmas centerpiece DIY. I managed to get the tree to work, look. So it's a fibre optic little tree that's flashing at the bottom there as well. The boys are gonna love this. So fun. I actually used to have a fibre optic tree when I was growing up. My mum got one. It was about this big probably, and it was just all colourful. I love that tree. I don't see many fibre optic trees these days, but this is a little cute miniature version, which I love. I also picked up some of these, again, little Christmas baubles. I like to use these again when I'm wrapping my Christmas presents and putting them on some ribbon and then just attaching them. I just think it looks really cute, so I got those, and they also come with the little strings in there as well, which is very useful. I also got some Christmas ribbon. So I got red sparkles, and I also got the silver sparkles, so I thought that was really cute. It's 2 meters long, each of those, which is quite good. You could even put it on your Christmas tree. I've done that before as well, and it looks really beautiful. I saw this little basket in the storage section. I thought what you could do with this is you could create like a little hamper of little treats. Create a lovely little bubble bath hamper, so put all of your favourite bath products in there and gift it to someone. Or you could create like a little baking hamper. So I've got some cupcake cases here, some pink cupcake cases, some cookie cutters. I would probably take them all out of the packaging and then just make them look a little bit better. They also had this really cute mini whisk, which I thought was really pretty. Again, it's got like that baby pink colour. They also had this kind of shredded paper, so you could pop that at the bottom to kind of fill it all out. I won't use this for this one because obviously it's quite holey. What I'll use for this one is tissue paper, and then I'll put all of the gifts inside, put some chocolates in there, maybe some like marshmallows and things like that. I also got some chocolate coins, because you can't go wrong with chocolate coins, can you? I've got a few of those because I love them. This is again great for gifting if you're going to be creating some lovely like wooden hampers. That would be beautiful to put that in. They had loads of shredded paper, all sorts of different colours in there. And then finally I got some more bows, again for gift. And then I got this little candle decoration, which I thought was really pretty, just to put like a tea light in. Again, I could put that on my dining room table or something. And then I picked up another candle because I absolutely love this smell. This is what my house smells like, the Glade vanilla scent. Oh, I love it. So it's the Glade vanilla candle. Like I said, I'm back into candles again, and I love it. Oh, so good. The candle that I've got on at the moment is Molten Brown. It's like from their new Christmas collection. It smells lovely. But this one is my ultimate favourite all year round. I love it so much. Okay, so that is everything that I got from Poundland. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.